show you the cute little picnic basket we got. Here you have a blanket. It's waterproof. Here's the basket. Look at how cute, y'all. Mike got this for me as a gift. So, the weather isn't all that great. I'm a little bit nervous. I hope it doesn't rain. Bring in hummus, turkey, cheese, beers. Strawberries, carrots, and 1 celery stick for me. Mike does not eat celery. He's weird.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
There's another one. I didn't see that one. I don't know what those are.
He's tired. He is me. I woke up today, you guys, and went right back to sleep. It's my routine.
It's sad. Makes me depressed.
Oh, he's back there. I don't know if you guys can see him. So we're just hanging out at this park really quick. We're just gonna walk around, look at some of the animals, get some, you know, show y'all some little footage, our cute little outing, and then we're gonna go across the street to like this open field. It's in front of a lake and everything, and that's where we're gonna have the picnic. The weather is not the best. It's a little gloomy. It's supposed to rain tonight. Yeah, don't look at my hair. She's going through it and I didn't have time to put it in a cute little wrap. I told y'all it took me like 30 minutes to do that, and I did not have the time today. Oh, y'all look at my leggings. Y'all know me. Y'all know the deal. They're so comfortable, and I got them off Amazon. If you want the link, let me know, because I might forget to link it in the description box. There's actually a lot of people here. Well, more than we expected, especially across the street. There's people doing like a frisbee golf game. Oh my god, I'm breaking out. Oh lord. And then here there's a couple of families enjoying their day.
I don't know what those birds are.
There wasn't a sign?
There's no sign. There's nothing. And there's 4 of them in there. There's different colors.
These bros.
I got them in the same cage.
Oh. He's looking at me, looking at you. You're on camera. Marlon, say cheese.
Wow. He never grew up. His most recent TV show was the same as he acted 20 years ago. He's still like a giant child. I think those are red-tailed hawks.
Mike's guessing the species before we see. He says red-tailed hawks. I don't know. Sorry to these men. Or ladies. I don't know.
Well, that's not accurate.
Turkey vulture.
Well, I mean, I guess it's kind of accurate. Those are red tails. I guarantee it. Their tails are red.
There he is. You guys, he was right. Oh no, I'm sorry. Red-tailed hawk.
He's not a fan of you.
He did not like me. I apologize. I am sorry to this man.
Not to be confused with the red-shouldered hawk. He's a pumpkin.
Oh, the baby owls.
He came back when you left. He didn't like you.
That little jerk. I don't think he likes anyone getting near him.
He's ripping stuff.
I don't know.
Maybe that is his dinner.
These ones have ears. Look how tiny they are.
Aww.
They're so little.
Yeah, this thing's huge. He is strange looking.
These are my favorite. I want it. These and screech owl. Oh wow, yeah, perfect. I have a question.
So,
These don't have signs.
yeah, they're kind of new, and there's two types of birds in there. So the gray ones, those are Mississippi kites, okay?
Okay.
And the black and white are swallowtail kites.
Okay.
And they're probably the birds that have the biggest issues here.
Oh. Wow.
Oh, yeah, this is Little Red. She's our resident rat snake. Red rat snake. We have a yellow rat snake inside.
Is there a difference between corn and rats, or is it just names?
They're both the same. They just call them corn because look, her belly kind of looks like, corn, maize.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And they don't all have that kind of color gradient. As you can see, hers fades into red and black again. And she's very timid and docile compared to our other yellow rat snake. The yellow rat snake scares a lot of people because he does not sit still like her.
This is how me and Mike pulled up. Okay, here's our little picnic setup. Look at how delicious. And Mike made this board. If you're looking for
Little dogs.
If you're looking for custom charcuterie boards, I'll put his information in the description box. There's like people over here climbing a tree. I don't know if y'all are gonna be able to see it. Hold on. No, you can't see. You can't see, but there's a rope. They're hanging from ropes in the tree. I don't know what the hell is going on. Mike is getting the photo for his charcuterie board.
I'm done. Let's eat.
Let's eat. Oh, okay. I'm hopping on the vlog quickly to interrupt this vlog because this is actually, today is, what is it? Today is Tuesday, December 8th, and y'all, a beach just got monetized. Hey, y'all, I just got monetized. I can't believe it. Yes, so I'm already doing makeup and mimosas this Sunday, so we're just gonna go ahead and make it a makeup and mimosas monetization celebration. Please join me at 2 p.m. EST for my makeup and mimosas monetization celebration. I'm just so overwhelmed. I want to thank everybody for supporting me, and like let me take my glasses off so y'all can see me. I'm not about to do all this. I just want to just jump on and quickly thank everybody so much for subscribing to my channel and watching me and accepting me for who I am. I know things are weird, but that's how we do over here on my channel, okay? It's weird, it's raw, it's me. And I will be, who out here? Yeah, I'm so nosy. I'm not crying, if y'all can't believe it. I can't believe I'm not crying either, but I'm just like so happy. I might cry, but not right now though. It's a good day. It's a good day. I'm monetized. Give me the money. Whatever. So yeah, y'all, it's just like a really good day. I can't believe it. It's been a long time coming. I've been on YouTube since December of 2018, so this just feels so good. Hard work pays off. I want to thank everybody that supported me, everybody that shared me out. I appreciate y'all so much. Y'all helped me get over that bump. I was sitting at 990 for so long, and then all my friends shared me out. So I appreciate y'all so much. Y'all have no idea. Yeah, so bye. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog. It was a cute little one, just a little nice outing. It felt good to get outside, get some fresh air. The weather was very nice. So yeah, we had a cute little picnic. Okay, so let me go edit this vlog. I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.